Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Exercise 11.4 is a just difficult exercise. The length of garden is given here. Length of garden is given. That is length of garden we will write here. Length of garden is equal to, that is 90 meter, and then breadth of garden. Breadth of garden is equal to, that is given 75 meter. And then a path 5 meter wide is to be built outside the around it. Find the area of path. So length of garden with path is equal to both sides. This means that is 5 plus 5, that is 100 meter. And then breadth of garden with path is equal to 75 plus 5 plus 5, both side is diameter also there, so that 85 meter. So area of path is equal to, that will be area of this one, that is 100 into 85 minus that area of this one, 90 multiply 75, that is 8500, and then 9 5 ja 45, 9 5 ja 45, 9 7 ja 63, 64 67, and then by subtraction 0, 10 less 5, 5, and then 14 less 7, 7, 1, 1750 meter square is the area, that is the area of path. And then also find the area of garden. So area of garden is equal to, that is 90 into 75, that we have already found it here, 750, that is a meter square. And then we need to find here in hectare also. In hectare is given there, so that is a 0.675 hectare, that is hectare. Question number 2 is that 3 meter wide path run outside around the rectangular park of length 125 meter and breadth is equal to this one. Find the area of path. Same question is that one. So that length of rectangle is equal to, that is 125 meter, and then breadth of rectangle is equal to 65 meter, and then 3 meter wide run outside around the rectangular park. Outside, it means length of rectangle with path is equal to, that is both side rectangle will be there, 3 plus 3, 3 3 6 4 11 5 11 2 1 3 1 meter, and then breadth of rectangle park with path is equal to, that is 65 plus 3 plus 3, both side rectangle will be also, that is a 71 meter. So area of path, that will be this one, area 131 into 71 minus that one area into 65. By the calculation, that answer will be come in meter by the calculation. And then after question number 3, a picture is painted on a cardboard 8 cm long, 5 cm wide, such that there is a margin in 1.5 meter along each of side. Find the total area of margin. That is a picture length is picture is equal to, that is 8 centimeter. Breadth of picture is equal to, that is 5 centimeter, and then length of picture with path with margin, that not a path, that is a given margin. Margin is equal to, that is given margin 1.5. So 8 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, that is 311. And then breadth of picture with margin is equal to, that is 5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, that will be 538 centimeter. And then after area of, that will be find the margin. Find the area of margin. So area of margin is equal to that with margin area minus that one area. So 11 8 ja 88 minus 8 5 ja 40. So that 48 centimeter square is that margin. That margin is given here for 30. A picture is painted on a cardboard 8 centimeter long and wide is 3 centimeter. So that will be minus, sorry, that will be minus, that will be 5, that will be also minus, so that will be 2. So that here will be also change. So that will be 8 into 5 minus that is 5 into 2. So that is 8 5 ja 40 without margin, that will be without margin. So that 40 minus 10 is equal to 30 centimeter square. 30 centimeter square. Fourth question, that a veranda of width 2.5 centimeter constructed along the outside of the room, which 5.5 meter long, and that one. So length is equal to length of veranda, length of, that is veranda is equal to, that is 5.5 meter, and then breadth of veranda is equal to, that is 4 meter, and then length of, that is not a veranda, this is the room, that is room, length of room with veranda is equal to, that is given 2.5. So that it will be, just a minute, is equal to 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, that will be 5 5 10, 2 to 4 1 5 10, that is 2 to 4 5 10, that will be 10 meter, 10 meter, that will be 2 to 4, yes, 10 meter. And then breadth of room with veranda is equal to, that is 4 plus 2.25 plus 2.25, that will be 4 to 6 8.5 meter. And then area of veranda, first part, area of veranda is equal to, that 10 into 8.5 minus 5.5 into 4. So that will be 85 minus 4 5 is 20, 4 5 20, 22. That will be 5 plus 2 3, 8 plus 63 meter square, 63 meter square. And then cost of construction of floor of veranda, cost. So that second part is cost. Cost is equal to, rate is given there, How many rate is given there? 200. 200 into 63. So that is 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 12. That is 12,600. 12,600. Then fifth question. You will be see the fifth question now. Fifth question is that a path 1 meter wide built along the border of at inside a square garden, that is 30 centimeter. So side is equal to 30 centimeter, 30 centimeter, and then side without path. See the side without what is given there? Path. Without path, that will be 30 minus, that is a 1 meter. So minus 1 that is 28 centimeter. So that the area of path. So first part is area of path is equal to that area 30 into 30 minus 28 into 28. 30 30 ja 900, and then 28 ja, that will be just difficult. 28 into 28, 8 8 ja 64, carry 6, 8 2 ja 16, 6 22, 16 2 2 ja 4 1 5, 4 8 7, 7 8 4, 7 8 4. Then subtraction, 10 less 4 6, 9 less 8 1, and then 8 less 7 1, that is centimeter square. And then the cost of planting grass remaining portion of the garden at the rate of 40 per meter square, 40 per meter square. So that the cost of planting grass the remaining portion of the garden at the rate of, so that we need to find the area of garden also. Area of garden. So area of garden, area of means side into side, side square. So that 30 into 30 is equal to, that is 900 centimeter square. So that cost is equal to, that rate is given 40. That rate is given 40 into 900. So that 9 4 ja 36, that is 30. That will be 30 something is. And fifth question again, see that answer. 11.4, fifth question, 31,360. And then they will find that okay, just wait is there. Just wait. Area of that that will be this one, that 28 into 28. So that will be 784 centimeter square. Now that cost is equal to rupees 40 into 784. So that 4 4 ja 16, and then that is a 3130 rupees. And then question number 6. Question number 6 is that 2 cross rod, each of wide 10 meter, that each of wide 10 meter, that cut a right angle through the center of the rectangular arc of length 700 meter. So first of all we draw the, that is 700, and then that is a 300, and then 2 road cut, this one road and this one road. This road wide is 10 meter. So we need to find the area of road. That area of road area of road is equal to, that will be 700 into 10 plus 300 into 10 minus 10 into 10. 10 into 10. When you will be go that side, so that will be 700 and that is 10. That's a one rectangular, and this one also one rectangular, and this area is coming both sides, so that will be subtract. 7 1 is 7,000 minus 3 1 is 3, 3,000 minus 100. So that is a, oh sorry, this is a plus. 7 10, 1 2 3, 3 minus 100. So that will be 2 0 will come same. 10 less 1 9, and then 9 9 9 9 9 0 meter, and then find the area of road. Also find the area of park excluding cross road. Give answer in hectare. So if you will find in hectare, then decimal 99 hectare that will become, and area of that 2 cross road each of the rectangle that through the center of the rectangular park road. So that area of park is equal to, that will be, this area will be subtract. So that area park 70 into 700 into 3 minus, that will be 99. So that is 7 7 ja 21, that is 0 0 0 minus decimal 9 9. So that 1 2 3 4. So that will be 21 minus decimal 9 9. This one has we have converted in hectare. So that will be 20.01 hectare. And then seventh question is a very lengthy exercise and very just difficult also. Throw a rectangular field of length 9 meter, 90 meter and breadth is 60 meter. Two roads are constructed which are parallel to the side cut each other at right angle. Two roads are constructed which are parallel to side and each other at right angle through the center of the field. If the width of road is 3 meter, so find the that area covered by the road. So that length is equal to that is 90 meter and breadth is equal to that is 60 meter. So that, and width of road is equal to 3 meter. So that area of road is equal to, that is first part, that will be 60 into 3 plus, sorry, 90 into 3 plus 60 into 3, because both are the parallel. 9 3 are 27 and then 6 3 are 18 and then 0 8 7 15 2 2 4 450, that is 441 is coming, that and then minus will be also come, that is minus 3 into 3 means 9, that is 9, that is 441 meter square is covered by road. And then second part, that is coast, constructing a road of coast is equal to, that is simple, is there, rate is given 110 multiply 441, so that 0 11 1 ja 11, 11 4 ja 44 and then 11 4 44, 48,510 rupees. And then question number 8th, date. Pragya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter. Adjoining the figure you are looking, and cut off the length required of the cord that the wrapped it around a square box side 4 centimeter. Did she have any cord left? That will be yes. Yes, she will be left cord, because we will find the area of square and area of that will be circle. So area of circle is equal to, that is pi r square. Pi r square, that is 3.14 into that radius is 4. 4 into 4, that is a left area we can write here directly. Left area is equal to, and then side into side square, so that 4 into 4, so that 3.14 into 16 minus 16. So 16 we can take the common, and then that will be 3.14 minus 1. So that 16 into that will be 2.14. So that will be left 2.1, 16 is common. So that left will be 16 to 32. Left is looking more than that one. The wrapped the around the shape box 4 centimeter. Also see that diagram. Did you have any cord left? Yes, that will be left the cord. Checking the answer 11.4. That will be looking just different. 11.4, question number 8. 19.12 cord is left. 19.12 cord is left. How that is come? Just wait. Priya wrapped a cord around a circular pipe of radius 4 centimeter and cut off that length required of the cord. 16 is common, that 16 manja 4 4 ja 16, 4 4 ja 16, and then you can see that answer 16 4 ja 64, and then 16 1 ja 16, 6 22, and then 16 2 ja 32, 34 point, this one centimeter is coming the left. That can be answer can be also given in wrong in your book. You can check again calculation. And then after ninth question is that the adjoining figure represent the rectangular lawn with the circular flower bed is middle. That figure you are looking here, find the area of whole land. First, area is equal to L into B. So that whole land area is that 10 into 5. 5 10 ja 50, that is meter square. Second part is that area of the lawn excluding the area of flower bed. Flower bed, that will be circular area we will be subtract. So area is equal to that 50 minus area of circle pi r square. So that 5 square minus 3.14 into 2 into 2, that is a radius. So that 50 minus 2 to 4, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 4 1 is 4 1 5, 4 3 is 12, and then by subtraction that will be come. Oh, that is a third part. Sorry, that is a 37 point. That will be 44 centimeter square. And then see the second part is there. Area of flower bed, that is a pi r square. That is pi r square. That is a 3.14 into 2 into 2. So that is a 12.56 centimeter square. The circumference of the flower bed. That will be 2 pi r square. Same thing will become circumference equal to 2 pi r, so that 2 into 3 decimal 14 into 2, that will be 12.56 centimeter. And then question number 10. Only 2 questions are left here. Only 2 questions are left here. So that question number 10, that first part is that if in the following figure find the area of the shaded portion, so that area of shaded portion means first of all area of that one, that is 10 into 10 minus area of two triangle, that is 1 upon 2 into 10 into, oh sorry, that is a 18 into 10 minus 1 upon 2 base 10 and 8 minus, that will be 1 upon 2, another triangle is 10 into 6, so that 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, so that 1800 minus 180, sorry, that 40 minus 30, so that 180 minus that is 70, so that 110 meter or centimeter square. And then second part is that area of shaded part. Similarly here also we will do area of shaded portion is equal to, that is area of this one 20 into 20 minus 1 upon 2 into area of this one 20 into 10 minus 3 times we will subtract that one 10 into 10 minus, that is 20 into 10, 1 upon 2 into 20 into 10, so that 10 ja, that 5 ja, and that 10 ja, so that is 20 into 20, sorry, 2 2 ja 4 minus 10 10 ja 100 minus 50 minus 100, so that 400 minus 250, so that will be left 150 centimeter square. And then last question, 11th question, that find the area of quadrilateral. Find the area of that quadrilateral, that will be so that area is equal to 1 upon 2 sum of altitude, sum of diagonals, or that we can find the area of two triangles here, 1 upon 2 into, that is 22 into 3 plus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 3, 22 upon into 3, so that 11, so 11 3 are 33 plus 33 is equal to, that will be 66 centimeter square. And then last of that one exercise, okay.